Whitmer High School. Tony Fisher, 17 points on the evening in their big win over their rival Central Catholic. Hats off to that young man. Outstanding ball game, relentless energy and guts. Carries him night in and night out.
Darren?
Man, I'm going out to Perrysburg High School with my man Joey Bowen. He doesn't get all the pub, but he shows up every night. He's tough, he's gritty, and he does whatever his team needs to win. 17 big points tonight. Get out there and vote for lucky number 11, Joey Bowman.
My pick this week, coming from your Toledo Area Athletic Conference champion, Ottawa Hills Green Bears, Caden Coy. 17 points in the road win tonight at Toledo Christian. It was more than just the scoring, though. Played well defensively. Also did a good job setting up his teammates. And then finally, the fans pick Bowling Green's Ryan Jackson. He had 21 points, but the 2 points everybody's going to talk about, the shot as time expired as Bowling Green got the win over Springfield in the Northern Lakes League. And again, you have until noon on Monday to head to the BCSN Twitter page and click your pick. You're going to receive a gift card to Burger King. We'll have that for you on Monday.